In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can merge PDFs online and completely for free by using this website called TinyWow. Now, if you want to check this out at all, I will link it down in the description below. Now, once you're here, we want to come to PDF Tools. We've opened this up in a new tab, and it's going to be this first one just here. Now, once you're on here, all you have to do is click on My Files, and you can add them that way. You can also just drag your file onto the page. So if we drag this like so, it's going to take a second, then it's going to upload. So we have 14 pages here on this one. If we want to add more, we can go to Add Files, click on the PDF that we want to add, give it a few seconds to upload, and now we have our two PDFs, and all that we have to do to merge this is click on Merge. We're going to give it a few seconds to do its thing, like so, and now our files, our PDFs, have been merged together. So all we have to do is click on Download, click to Save to Device, it's going to download, and now if we open this and go all the way down to roundabout, near the end, just here, we can see that the rest of the pages have been added together and our PDFs have been merged. So that's how you can easily merge PDF files together completely for free and by using TinyWow. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.